Hello, friends. Today we will talk about a great trick for learning English. It is a very helpful lesson for everyone.
Do you want to understand native English speakers easily? Sometimes they say hello, and then they talk very fast without stopping.
When you listen to podcasts or watch videos, it can feel too fast. You might feel very confused and frustrated. The English words move quickly, so there is no time to think. It can make you feel very stressed out and tired.
Many beginners feel sad when this happens. They think English is simply too hard to learn, but do not worry about it today.
I have a great new idea just for you. It is a really fun technique that will change how you listen completely.
This clever method is called speed listening training. We will use the 1.25 speed setting to train your ears.
You can try this fun exercise on your phone, tablet, or computer. It is very easy to do at home every day.
First, you need to find an interesting podcast or an English video. Put on your headphones and get ready to listen closely.
Please choose a video that is not too hard. A simple video you can already understand at normal speed is the best choice.
Now, let us look for the video speed settings. We need to change how the video plays to train your ears properly.
Open the speed settings menu directly on your phone. You will see the normal speed first, but please do not use that option.
We really want to change the normal playback speed. This simple change will make the voices play much faster than normal. Take a deep breath and relax your whole mind. Get ready for a small, fun challenge that will help your ears grow.
Click on that speed button and watch the screen carefully. We are going to change the normal playback speed right now.
Change the current video speed to 1.25. This is exactly 25% faster than a normal speaking voice.
Now, you must listen to the video very carefully. The people are talking faster, so focus your mind to hear the words.
At first, this fast speed will probably feel very strange. Your brain is trying hard to catch every fast word they say.
You might be very surprised by this quick pace. It is quite fast, but you can still understand some parts of the story.
It is completely okay if you feel a little stressed. This small panic is very normal for a new beginner trying this trick. You will definitely miss some difficult English words. Do not worry about writing everything down, just keep listening to the sounds. The words are flying so fast into your ears. Your brain is working very hard right now, so keep listening to it.
If you are feeling very brave, change the speed to 1.5. This pace is much faster than before. Oh wow, the voices sound absolutely crazy and super fast. You might feel totally shocked at how quickly they can speak now. This is certainly the most difficult part of the exercise. Your brain is processing information at a very high intensity right now.
You might actually sweat a little bit from the effort. It takes total focus to hear the words at 1.5 speed. Think of this heavy task like lifting weights at the gym, but instead of muscles, you are lifting heavy weights for your ears.
Your brain is getting stronger and faster every single minute. It is learning to process fast sounds and connect them very quickly.
This high-intensity listening practice is the real secret. It forces your resting mind to wake up and work very hard.
Listen at this extremely fast speed for 5 or 10 minutes. You will definitely feel a bit tired, but it is a good tired.
Now, it is finally time for the best magic trick. Stop the fast video and open the video speed settings again. Change the video speed back to the normal setting. Set it back to exactly 1.0 speed. And let us listen.
Put your headphones back on your head right now. Press play on the video and listen to the native speaker talk again.
Wow! You will feel very surprised by the sudden change! What just happened to the fast voices in this English video? Suddenly, the normal speaking speed feels very slow to you. You can easily hear every single word they say without any trouble.
The native voices feel incredibly slow, clear, and very calm. It genuinely feels like they are talking just for a young beginner.
The spoken words are very clear and easy to understand. Your brain has plenty of time to catch every single English word. You will feel very confident in your listening skills. Understanding the whole story is much easier now than it was before.
Because you trained hard at a very fast speed, the normal time feels slow. You have a lot more time to think.
Listening to English suddenly becomes a very fun activity. You can smile because you finally understand the native speakers easily and naturally.
Why does this simple listening trick work so well? Because your brain adapts to difficult things and gets used to fast speeds.
When you listen fast, your brain muscles grow incredibly strong. Normal speed then feels very light, comfortable, and extremely easy to hear.
You are successfully training your brain to process information very fast. This powerful method automatically makes you a much better English listener.
You can do this fantastic trick every single day. Try it out when you listen to your favorite English podcasts on your phone.
It is a truly brilliant idea for all language learners. It costs absolutely no money and only takes a few extra minutes. So grab your hot coffee, put on your headphones, and challenge your brain today. You will definitely love this amazing learning technique. Always remember to practice this routine as often as you can. Practice at fast speeds and deeply enjoy the slow, comfortable speeds.
You will definitely feel very proud of yourself and your progress. Native English speakers will never sound too fast for you ever again.
Keep learning English every day and keep trying exciting new things. You are doing a great job with your daily language training.
Thank you very much for watching this helpful video lesson. Try speed listening today, have lots of fun, and goodbye for now.